Hello po sa lahat. Ngayong April, ang dami po nating tinatawag na regular holiday. So, nandyan po yung ating April 1, yung ating Idil Fitir. We have also April 9, yung Day of Baylor. April 17, Maundy Thursday. And April 18, Good Friday. So, these are considered regular holidays under our labor code wherein an employee who does not report for work will still receive 100% of his or her pay for that day provided that the employee reports to work or is on leave of absence with pay and the day immediately preceding the regular holiday. So, ibig lang sabihin na kailangan nyo pong pumasok or you have filed a leave of absence with pay, okay, the day after that regular holiday. So, kaya nga maraming nagpa-file ng kanilang official leave pagdating ng regular holidays na to para masulit po nila. So, yun po yung binabanggit po sa batas para kayo po ay makatanggap ng bayad 100% of your pay during regular holiday. So, ang tanong naman po ng karamihan is that, syempre, meron tayong mga kasamahan na gusto nilang magtrabaho on that declared regular holiday. So, for employees who will report to work during the regular holidays, so ito naman ang kanilang benepisyo. He or she will receive 200% of his or her pay for that day for the first 8 hours. So, iba naman po yung computation kasi dadagdag mo po dyan yung 30% for that 200% of his basic salary sa computation. So, idadagdag mo 200%. Halimbawa, ang sahod niya is 1,000. So, times 200%. So, that would be 2,000. So, pag nag-overtime yan, overtime pay yan. So, the 2,000 divided by 8 hours times 230% for every hour in excess of that 8-hour duty. So, yun po ang ibig sabihin yan. So, for work done, yan, yung binanggit ko kanina, in excess of 8 hours, the employer shall pay the employee of additional 30% of the hourly rate on said day. So, I hope maliwanag po yan. So, Attorney Kid Castro po, panatag ang loob ng taong may alam. Hanggang sa muli.